Okay, Skinnet, if you don't mind.
Enough! Enough! Make it stop!
Sorry.
Sorry.
Hey, Skinnet, you racing today?
You betcha! And if I see you out there, I'll give you a little toot!
Whoops.
Sorry. Again.
And here comes Skinnet the skunk in last place. And he hits his afterburners!
Sorry. Sorry.
What an incredible display of power and speed!
Oh, sorry.
Skinnet has just exploded into first place! Uh-oh! Skinnet better get a second win soon! Oh no! Skinnet has transformed this ramp into an incredible skunk jump!
Sorry. Hey, everyone. I finally recharged. I'm ready to drop the biggest, sweetest smelling stink ever on those wolves.
No! Stop! The full moon's gone! And so is your sweet smell!
Too late.
Something stinks about this race. And it's not just me.
Running water makes me... everything makes me do that. Sorry.
A tourist! Can I come too? Please, please, oh, please!
Yes, of course you can, Skinnet. Just as long as you don't skunk things up.
Whatever.
Hey, what's that smell?
Must you?
What? I'm celebrating my true destiny. Hey, just because I didn't turn into some giant warrior doesn't mean I didn't learn something from that fog.
Uh-oh.
Feel my greatness, everyone! Sorry. But not really. Oh, I live here. It's the only place in Shima where no one is bothered by my special gift.
You mean your stinkies?
I have the gift.
I don't like where this is going!
Boil yourself today in our new bubble spa. Skinnet, can you give us a little demonstration?
Step right up, my friends.
Ooh, Laval needs his greatest heroes. I'll let him know I'm coming too with my stink signal. But I saved my special battle stink for you. I guess I don't have to hold it in anymore.
Wait! Not in here!
Sorry.
Cut!
Sorry.
Retreat! Run for your lives!
Thanks, guys. Great idea to have me make my stink underground.
Too much excitement! You might want to cover your noses.